Hello everyone, Mrs. Meenakshi here. Today we will discuss about arid soil. We were talking about the classification of soil. We are done with alluvial soil, black soil, laterite soil, red and yellow soil. I will share the links of all these videos in description. Kindly go through this, and today we'll discuss about arid soil. As you know, 6 kinds of soils are found in India. So we are already done with these 4 kinds of soil. So today we will learn in detail about arid soil. Let's have the glimpses of arid soil. It looks like this. It is very sandy and dry soil. Now this is known as soil of Rajasthan and desert soil too. Now we will learn about what is arid soil. So this soil is also known as desert soil. It is found in Thar Desert and Rann of Kutch of Gujarat, and it is formed due to weathering of rocks. It is red to brown in color, sandy in texture and saline in nature. It is very dry soil and it is having high salt and calcium content, and nitrogen is very less. अगर हम इसकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स की बात करें, so due to the dry climate and high temperature, it lacks in moisture because, as I told you, it is found in desert area. So in desert, high temperatures are found and very low rainfall. So it is dry soil. It can be cultivated after irrigation. And which kind of crops are grown? So crops like wheat and millets are grown in this soil very well. जिसे हम मोटे अनाज बोलते हैं. Millets means मोटे अनाज like ज्वार, बाजरा, गेहूं. These are grown very well in arid soil, which is found in western Rajasthan, Gujarat, and some areas of Punjab. Which kind of major crops? I would like to show the images. So this is wheat plant when it is growing. And this is the final product we see in the market. So the same way, jawar, the plant is taken here, and these are jawar seeds which we find in the market. And this is bajra in its plantation stage, and this is the final product. If we talk about its location, so arid soil is found in the desert area of Rajasthan. This is the western Rajasthan area and some areas of Gujarat and Punjab. अभी हम इसके कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स की सुपर ट्रिक्स की बात करेंगे. Dear children, if you get a question of 5 marks in board exams, what are the characteristics of arid soil? It's very simple. I'll give you a super trick. You will ask few questions and you find out the answers, and you will be able to write all 6 points of characteristics of arid soil. So first is, what is the color of the soil? So it is found in red to brown in color, found in dry and low rainfall regions. And what about its chemical composition? Yes, it is rich in salt and poor in nitrogen. Humus content is very less as it is found in dry region, and it needs fertilizers. So which kind of crops are grown? Wheat, jawar and bajra. Where it is found? So we can write it is found majorly in 3 states of India. They are Rajasthan, Gujarat and Punjab. So this way you are done with the 5-mark question of characteristics of arid soil. It's so simple. Dear children, for examination, you must prepare a table where at one glance you will get to know everything about the arid soil. So first I have taken name of the soil. Yes, it is arid soil, which is also known as desert soil. And about formation, it is formed due to the weathering of rocks, and it is sandy and saline in nature. And chemical composition, yes, it is rich in salt and calcium. Humus and moisture content are very less. Crops, wheat, jawar and bajra are grown very well. And areas, The three major states, they are Rajasthan, Punjab, and Gujarat. And yes, any special point? It is dry and sandy, and it needs fertilizers and irrigation methods to grow good crops. So this is all about arid soil in one glance. So अगर हम इसकी लोकेशन की बात करें, on the political map of India, this slide is very very important. इंडिया के मैप में हम पहले ही इन चार टाइप्स, एलुवियल सॉइल, ब्लैक सॉइल, रेड एंड येलो सॉइल और लेटरेट सॉइल की बात कर चुके हैं. और अभी हम एरिड सॉइल की बात करें तो इंडिया के इस वेस्टर्न रीजन में एरिड सॉइल पाई जाती है. So we are done with 5 kinds of soil. I will be back soon with my next video about mountainous soil. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.